Hello. Hello, Space Fox. How are you doing today? That's good to hear. How was math class? Did you survive school today? What? Is my camera? Yeah, it's working. That was fun. Hi. Hi, chat. So, that's my new camera. You're gonna see me looking to the left. No, it's a completely new camera. So, last time I was using my laptop camera. And now I have a Logitech C922. So let's move that to one as well. So I can get going. Kind of like that. Like that. Yeah, I hope it does. You can move this. The thing is, I tried to get it to run on 60 FPS and it just broke. Also, let me just check something. Why did it change now? Well, whatever. I mean, it's the same camera, so just different settings in OBS. So now the only thing I need to change is get a bigger desk, get a green screen. Teams downsizes, yeah, that's probable. Also, the default settings for the Logitech cam suck. Okay, let's get a Firefox going. So, I mean, teams suck. Teams sucks. Okay, that's what we're doing today. Also, we're gonna get Toggle Bytes repository. The white sucks. I need a better browser. Really. Okay, so is that the wasm test? Is that the wasm test? 20 hours ago, it's probably not the wasm test. Right? I'm unsure. Wasm time, Wasmer, CC2 Lua. So it is the wasm test. 20 hours? That doesn't make any sense. Wait, it's 6 PM, right? Yeah, got it. I mean, that's the only thing. Oh, created. Okay, whatever. We'll just git clone that. Also, if you're wondering, I'm installing NVIM, which is needed for MUN language. I mean, there probably would have been some some kind of 1806. Oh, time. Yeah. There's probably some kind of package for Arch, but meh, we'll do it from source. Why not? Huh. So it's not gonna get faster. Hi, Garrett. What? Muna? No. Oh. Something like that. Word boundary? Orphaned. Okay. Well. I also installed a compositor today. Because the tiering drove me mad. Yeah, I'm kind of tired. So I didn't sleep well the last, I think, week. So yeah, the last few days weren't the best for sleeping for me. But other than that, I'm fine. And now I'm stuck installing LLVM. Your fingers are swollen. Did you get finger COVID? On such a just was at the store. Got some Kiwi juice so I can learn more. Yeah, I got a whole palette as well. Hey Togglebyte. Are we working on the active framework? Yeah, first I want to try to break the benchmarks from Togglebyte, who checked who did WebAssembly today, I think. WebAssembly in C and Lua and stuff. And I will try. I want to try Mun, whatever. And it told me to install LLVM and then recompiled my whole PC, or so it seems. I think it already installed 500 packages or something like that. Bench logs. We should do a bench log benchmarking framework. Now I can send from from the terminal as well. Oh, isn't it TS? TS, hi chat. The Lua benchmark is silly, it reads the code for every iteration. Because execute takes oh boy. I mean, we can check out your code in the meantime. Let's move that away because it gives me a headache. Wasm run? I mean, what's wasm lib? So that's the wasm itself. Got it. Wasm run. It's probably the benches, right? Let nonsense. Okay, I mean, we can. Let's leave it. I'm itching to play with Rust again. Do it. C# oh, C# legacy code. That's not nice. Lots of manual debugging and logging of issues. No toggle bit, not Go, just Rust. Not Go, Rust and Go. What am I doing? Rust. Go Rust. Rugo. Okay, so what else do we have? Wasm run. Source. Lib? Wait, that's not true. That was not correct. Need to finish the day job first and then practice cities in a snap this weekend. Oh. Yeah, sadly day job goes first. Why are you complaining? I'm just all 3 import. There's some time, that's Vesmer. Okay, let me check something. Is it already mounted? It's not. Come on. Don't overdo yourself. Have a good balance. Yeah. Where's run media? Wow. Who would have guessed? So run media, Steve. Is it Windows though? No, it's data. So there should be a project Rust. That's all my old projects. And I think there should be a wasm in there. Wasmer plugin example. So cd wasmer. Hey Edwin Chang. Just doing some benchmarking, installing LLVM hopefully. The opposite is toggle, he doesn't get stuff done, which is why his hair gets longer. Wow. So let's see. I think I did something cool. Not cool. Quit out of again. Talk a bit dynamic things. Bad humor. Completely new cam. Not only the angle is new, so it's a Logitech C922. It arrived yesterday, but yesterday I was feeling a bit sick, so yeah. So this thing is sitting on top of my screen right now. Okay, what did I want to check? That's some serialization stuff. Wasm time. No, it's the runner itself. So main. So I already did the whole performance measuring stuff. because the biggest hit in wasm, if I can remember correctly, which I probably don't. I think that should be the biggest time hit, because it compiles the whole WebAssembly to internal something before it executes. So if you do that at the beginning and only run it, it should be competitive with wasm time from performance. So if we go up here, so is yeah, so if we could get that out of here. Can we do that actually? That's not in the benchmark. Oh, so it's just the iter. Okay, got it. I quit out of it again. Yeah. But this should... Do I have a cargo? No, I don't have a cargo bench. I have a cargo build. What? Oh. Wait, the wasm lib should be compiled with... What should it be compiled? Also, you did? What? Oh, you just directly compiled it. Okay, that makes sense. That's raster toolchain add wasm 32. I think that should be it. What? Is it not add toolchain? Is it target? Okay, it's target add. Yeah. It's not the whole toolchain. So now I can do cargo, build, target, wasm, no autocomplete, okay. Unknown, dash release. Okay. Wasm run. How's this going? Not even half. Okay. Told you cargo run. No, cargo plus nightly bench. What's the command? There is no nightly installed. Chain add nightly. Let's see how that goes. Should have thought about that and started way earlier, so we wouldn't have to wait on that. Have you choose which one to use? Okay, planning is for babies. Yeah, planning is for people who with slow computers, and I'm apparently one of them, so... Oh, for the plugin system. I mean, the safest way would still be to use wasm, probably. So if you wanna safely distribute or allow people to safely run random plugins, wasm would surely be better. Yeah. I mean, wasm time was fast enough, right? So... Sure, I mean, if people can just recompile the code, it should be fine. I mean, they can vet the code if they want, but it's still random code they'll be running for the plugins. Get my... I mean, I really want to show off Monlang, but it's gonna take a while. People run random code for Minecraft and whatnot. I mean, you're right, but that doesn't mean that we should encourage that behavior. There are tons of pitfalls to deal open stuff. Rust analyzer have to use deal open to handle proc macro, and we hate it so much. That's understandable. We have to favor... No, we do not. We absolutely do not. Performance is one of the biggest concerns. I agree with that. But there are still other things except performance you need to consider. So not only... Performance should never be the only consideration. Except if you do something like high performance trading with no user code whatsoever. But if it comes to stuff like running random plugins, we might want to sacrifice a little bit performance for doing something like WebAssembly. But it also depends on the game. So if you have a game which has to be high performance because you need a quadrillion frames per second, then maybe not. Well, how many of the Vim plugins you're using have you reviewed? All of them. How much more secret does wasm give you? Wasm can't just access the file system. Wasm can't just create a network connection. Wasm can only do what ToggleBit allows Wasm to do. So if ToggleBit says WebAssembly cannot access files, or let me rephrase. If ToggleBit doesn't implement file access and network access, wasm just can't do it. Yeah, wasm itself can really just move i32s around. I might want to access the file system or network UML plugin. You might want to, but then you can provide a safe API to do that. You don't need random file access in most of the cases. So most plugins, I think, and I might be wrong on that, but whatever, probably just want to save data. So either configuration stuff or runtime data. And you can do something where every plugin gets its own folder and can only access that folder. And with wasm, you can guarantee that. The way I would do it is provide a game state and some functionality for getting player data. Yeah. I mean, I thought about a web server or a web application server where the web application is built in WebAssembly and doesn't directly handle the network traffic. So it would just get all the stuff. Then you can move everything out of there and make it hyper performant and only do certain things. Oh boy. Building two things at once. To be honest, I'm trying to argue for deal open to convince me to use wasm in the bot, as I don't want to have to do the work with secreting myself. Yeah, I mean, it's as with everything else, it kind of depends. If you're the only user, it doesn't matter. Go for the fastest thing. So if Togglebit decides to host the game and doesn't intend for anyone to ever use it, they'll open. Well, just hard coding it would probably be the best way to do it. If the game lags, it affects everyone. That's true, yeah. But let's wait for the benchmarks to actually give us some numbers, so that we know what we're working with. Because if depending on the usage, it might be completely okay to choose the slower thing. I'll be hosting my bot and might be inviting third-party plugins. Couldn't you just have both and leave it to the user to decide if they want performance or security? No, because I mean, yes, obviously you can do that, but if you do that at my plugin, let's say I make a plugin which reads your credit card details. I know it's not that easy, but let's just pretend it is. And I'll just make a cool plugin, build the functionality in it, and say, well, it's for performance reasons, so you can't just choose to use the wasm version. That's the thing. I, as a user, can only say, okay, I'll take the plugin, or I'll not take the plugin. And sometimes, if it's the only plugin around, you have no choice if you want to provide that functionality to your users. That's what I'm choosing, unless I can get reasons to not. At the moment, the spot is way preventable. In my case, each plugin might run one every nth of a second, say 20 times a second. There might be a huge loss using wasm there. There are... Okay. I don't know if you know Valorant. Valorant game. It's Valorant.net. Okay. You know Valorant. I haven't checked in a long while, but they have seriously considered using WebAssembly for their plugin system, for their mod system. And they do 3D server stuff. So if it's fast enough for Valorant, I think it should be fast enough for your game. Where's the GitHub link? No GitHub link. Okay. Valorant, GitHub. Yeah, but I doubt they would do rendering. Yeah, do you? Do you do the rendering in wasm? Or do you intend to do that? We moved to GitLab, okay. Take me to the GitLab. How are we doing? No. Got it. So, mod? Wait, we should actually check the old tracker as well. My PC is dying. wasm is fast enough to do the rendering. It depends. It depends. So mods. No mods. Modding. No modding. What? We're talking about things that doesn't exist yet. Yeah, that's true. So what have they chosen? Have they chosen something? I mean, wasm is one of the most. Wasm is the highest performance thing you'll get given the safety constraints. How can we say that X is fast enough for Y when no one knows what Y is? I would say it's an educated guess. Something I wrote last year just for testing fast wasm is. Let's open that up. What wasm runtime did you use? Yeah, wasm is insane. There are complete games compiled to wasm, which run in the browser. So there is... wasm was slow. No, I meant Edwin. What did Edwin choose as his runtime? Because I think with wasm you can change the compilation backend. wasm backend? Standard web? Oh, because it's run in the browser. I'm stupid. So... wasm features. What's the default? Can someone tell me what the default is? Okay. wasm runtime. Unity can compile to wasm? Cool. Okay, so... is that the runtime already? Features... no. Am I missing something? Where's the source code? Is it in lib? It's in lib. Yeah, so like I said, there are different backends which you can use to compile to run that. And depending on the runtime you use, it might lead to different results. Why can't I rotate? Oh, I can. I just can't go to the right. There is no D. Wait. Can we exclude everything? Exclude keys star? Does that work? No, I can't go right. All keys? Oh, I should have saved as well. All keys, add row, save changes, whatever. So, yes, now I can do everything. Okay. Oh, it's a flying camera. Go to the bottom. I mean, the first demo I saw from WebAssembly. Yeah. No clip. WebAssembly Unreal demo. Okay, something crashed. Right? Invalid memory reference. That's still compiling. So... Citadel, perhaps? could be. Epic Citadel in HTML5. Yeah, except... Is that the wasm stuff? Just WebGL was written 2019. Oh, your example. Right. Okay, so what happened here? Can we bench again? Process didn't exit successfully. Signal elf. Elf. That's the German coming through a single 11. So I think your benchmark is broken. Might be the Lua. Okay, let's open that and start fixing everything that complains. Okay, that's fine. Unused. Move that. It works on my PC. Yeah, the classic. So, wait. Let's go. What? That's gone now. Something else complaining? No. Oh, maybe there is no Lua installed. So cargo plus nightly bench. Okay, unused Arlua. So that's gone. That's gone. Yeah, I posted it today. There is a, it works on my machine badge. So, whoops. See if it still works after we remove everything. What are you complaining? Oh, okay. We'll fix that separately. The Lua stuff can just go, right? Unused variable Lua code. So that does nothing. Delete the Lua pod. I mean, I still want to get it running and see what it does. So doesn't need to be mutable. You're complaining. It's just slow. Huh. I mean, shouldn't be Lua extremely fast? What font are you using there? Set font? No. How do I check what font I'm using? I have absolutely no idea. So let's fix that as well. Linker unused variable. Then let's get rid of it. Right. So Yeah, but it's not fast if you have to load the code every time. Oh, that's what you meant. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can look at that. See if we can fix that somehow. Okay, so you wanna inst get what? Inst exports. Exports get add dot call, no, dot unwrap. I think. Oh. Just do that? Just do that. Yeah, I want to go to my wiki. Thanks, Vim. That's exactly what I wanted to do. So... let's see. Now all the warnings are gone. No. Yep, still crashes. Source main. So let's... I've commented all the Lua out. Right, remove the dependency. Okay, got it. Okay, so now the errors are gone. Cargo, whatever, cargo tumble. What? Have I commented? Oh. Why did I read that as Lua? No worries, I just can't read. Okay, so I still have some Lua in here. Source lib. Oh, I didn't comment everything out. Oh, sorry, I'm tired. I hope my tomatoes come off. No, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, can we finally bench that? Yeah, so it's still crashing because I don't think it's the Lua. I think no, it's also not the cargo clean. It's the deal open because I haven't built the correct library. So yeah. Rejects trust, wasm lib, cargo, build, release, right? To get the deal open stuff. And now I should be able to cargo bench. Wow. I mean, the test is kind of flawed because I'm compiling in the background. Okay. The thing is, I don't think that's... yeah, I don't think that's as bad as it looks. Because I think if you do more with it, the difference is gonna be less. Also, we're talking nanoseconds. LP down 2, thanks for the follow. Okay, so we fixed that. Now let's try a few things. Wasm features. I think I'll probably need LLVM to do that. So can I have an explanation on how to change this? Wasm LLVM. That's embedded. Can specify the LLVM backend. Ah, okay, so it's plugin system now. Let's see if that works somehow. Okay, it's benches, right? Is it in benches directly? No, it's not. Okay, let's... Why can't you go to definition? Come on, Rust Analyzer, do your thing. Source lib. And Wasm. Separate crate. Yeah, but it should still be able to just go to definition. Because I think in Visual Studio Code, the implementation just does it. So let's instantiate. Feature. What do you mean feature? Let's do copy and paste driven development again. I have no idea if that works. Any feature flag set or good Huh. No, probably just because it's the benches stuff. Oh, I know why. I absolutely know why. Probably because the feature test stuff doesn't actually compile. Hector HSC, thanks for the follow. Okay, two followers. Let's get some hype going. So can I bench that? Yeah, almost Bob Champ. Wait. Here you go. How's LLVM doing? I'm using the LLVM backend without having LLVM installed. Let's see how that goes. I forgot the prefix. I can stress how tired I am. Yeah, we'll just need to wait until we're partner and can set our own prefixes. Going to bed as soon as I can. That's what I did yesterday. I'm actually extremely hyped for tomorrow. Wait. Why do people still write me? Okay. Yeah, sleeping well is one of the best things you can do. So before last year, before I had the last stream of the year, I slept a bit better and was way more motivated. And the last 2 days I didn't sleep that well, and I think it also you also know it when watching the stream that I'm not 100% here, but it's fine. Who needs sleep? Come on. And I need a better PC. I so much need a better PC. Didn't we talk about the 32 cores today? 32 core laptop. Missed that conversation. That was during feeding time. I want a 32 core laptop. If someone wants to build me a 32 core laptop, I'll take it. Better get a PC like mine. Yeah, that's what I want to do with either summer or winter. I want to get a really buff PC. So I'll get as much cores as I can. Hopefully best graphics card I can. Yeah. So I want to get the best of the best of the best. So I can really do very good development. I'm planning to stream too. Do you have any recommendations for hardware specs or anything? 12 cores, usually 12 cores. Do I have any recommendations? For streaming in general, no, not really. If your PC or laptop can run games, then you should be able to stream. Yeah. So if you do coding streams, it doesn't matter that much. If you do gaming streams, you should probably have a better PC. What I can recommend you for streaming is get a camera if you can, get a good microphone if you can. Yeah. So just the camera makes it more professional or personal, should I say. I personally want to get a green screen behind me so we can do crazy stuff with the camera, and I want to get better lighting because right now it's just one what are those called? Light bulb, which is lighting my whole room, and that's also the lighting for me, but I want to have lighting in front of me. Okay, I messed something up. Could you abort, please? We already have an error. Okay, Control C. It's lib. That's. Is it lib? It is lib. There should not be an exclamation mark, semicolon. New LED panels work well enough. They're about 30 euros. Yeah, something like that. So I probably will get one first on my left because I'm already lit from the right. And if that doesn't look the way I want it to look, I'll just get a second one on my right. It should still be fine, I think. I can't say for sure. I can recommend the same thing that Togglebit always recommends. Get a YouTube account if you don't have one. Make a private stream, invite us, and we'll tell you if it looks good or not. You can find Togglebit on Togglebit's stream, because he still hasn't joined my Discord somehow. Discord, not stream. And you can find me on my Discord. Oh, the bot just told you the Discord as well. I have too many Discords to keep track of. You just need my Discord so it can remind you when I'm streaming. AI-based fake background stuff. So like the VCam. XSplit VCam. So maybe we could do it together. I would be down to do some collaboration. Coding collaboration. But I can see when you're streaming on Discord. I mean, we have a bot, and the bot will announce that I'm streaming. I hope he does. Yeah. So you'll not only see that I'm streaming, you'll get a notification when I'm streaming. And that's way better than just seeing that I'm streaming. Yeah, Aaron, just join the Discord, let's talk. I'm down. I don't have notifications. You just don't want to join my Discord. Nah, it's fine. We should definitely type race when you get a keyboard. I mean, you probably would beat me anyway because I'm a really slow typer. No, it's fine. I know that I deactivate almost all Discords I have. I'm gonna reactivate the notifications on yours again because I missed too much of the conversations. Only thing that makes sound is when my phone rings. Yeah. We can do a freeway when I get mine. Yeah. Okay. So it was use wasm LLVM backend. The other thing was use wasm runtime core, which isn't even installed. So cargo add. Oh, before I forget it, we see in, no, not in it, defaults. Where's my cargo stuff? CA for cargo add, but without the CR and a space and a space. Whoa. Okay, so reloading everything with Compton isn't quite as cool as reloading with just i3. So I think I don't need that then. And it's instance from here. Yeah, but like I said, you'll probably beat me in typing anyways because I suck at typing. Like, for real, I'm a really slow typer. So expected to supplied free. Private associated function. Huh. Is there an example for that? I really want to try that backend. Module. It's a compiler result module. That's something completely different. Okay. Okay, we're making progress. Wasm LLVM example. Didn't you have it there? Yeah, but it kinda... The thing is, it returns something different. So... let's grab that again. This thing returns a module, not an instance. So we'd have to rewrite everything to use instance instead. Module instead, I think. So, okay, where's my... No. B. Source lib. I don't know. I really don't know. So there is an instance. Get func. Let's do module instead. See how that goes. Okay, so instance. That's wasm time. Okay, I broke the wasm time stuff as well. Wasm time. That's a wasm time instance. Okay. A wasmer instance. Isn't even called instance. Wait. Oh, you renamed it. That makes sense. Can you not create an instance from a module? I also don't know. Module. Module. See how it goes. Okay. Imports. I don't know. Oh, exports. Okay. Does that work? Back of export descriptor. Wait, do I need to do that myself then? for en inst exports e dot name if e dot name equals add will e dot something break clone extend descriptor. Why? How's that going? Okay. Bought my yes, I think. So match e tie, and if it's a function extend descriptor function f do an f else we'll just panic. Can I panic without saying something? Oh. Delete. It's probably not working as well. There is an instance. Wait, so it is a wasm runtime? So we get the module here? What? Can you explain to me what we're benchmarking? I can. That's what I wanted to do. So, Togglebit wrote a benchmark to check which is faster, libload, or how much faster, libload itself, WebAssembly with wasm time, WebAssembly with wasmer, and Lua. And I want to add Mun to the benchmark. But right now I'm trying to get wasmer to compile with LLVM. So that's what we're doing right now. Oh, it's an unwrap. We can unwrap. Okay, so what's the problem now? Cannot find. Makes sense. Okay, so now that's fixed. Now we just there are no exports anymore. It's not E, it's inst. Oh, you need to instantiate. I'm just stupid. That's the problem. So you just need to instantiate that with imports, right? And unwrap that And now you get the instance back. So we can instance that again. Can delete that. Now everything should kinda just work. No. Expected insta. Oh. It's a wasm instance. How is this benchmark using NVIM? I just missed the part for registering this code. I can kind of show you. Wait just a second. So yeah, it seems you can just use the LLVM backend and pass that to wasm. So that's this now. Got it compiling here. I think I should have it compiling now too. So let's bench again. Yeah. How long? More than an hour of installing to erroring out. Holy crap. Whoa. Okay. That doesn't look good. Linking with CC failed. Huh? Okay, in the meantime, where is everything? GitHub. That's the error of the day. It is. So CD projects rust git clone recursive. I'm kind of mad that this errored out. But I'm not sure what installed and what not. So cd mun cargo build hello? What is happening? Why is it building? Yeah, I got a new webcam. Hello! Now you can see me more clearly at not 60 FPS, sadly. I tried to get the 60 FPS working. Everything looks strange when I do that. Cargo build. Release. Hopefully. Compiling again. It's the only thing I'm doing today is compiling. Oh. Try getting a replacement. A replacement what? Replacement camera? I don't think it's a camera problem. I think it's a software problem. And I don't want to bother doing stuff with it. Also, it doesn't have the original Logitech drivers because Linux. So Did you check other operating systems? I did not. I just lazily plugged it in, positioned it somewhat correctly, and tinkered with it to get a somewhat decent picture. And now you have me in 1080p instead of 60 FPS, but I think that's fine for that kind of content. I mean, once I start dancing on stream, stuff like that, we should get the 60 FPS going. But until then, I think we'll live with that. So, dance stream tomorrow. Yeah, we need. I need DMCA free music for that. Multiple definitions. That's not good. First day shadow puppets. I mean, can you? No. Is it like? Can you see the shadow? No. Getting the same error here. Okay, let's go out. CD wasm lib. Oh, no git. Look at the bottom. Collect to. I mean, maybe we need to. Maybe there is a feature we need to enable. So. I know it was a feature. I know it was a feature someday, which you could just enable. Let's see. Wasmer, LLVM link. Hey Ghosty, how was work? How was your day? That's very nice. Annoying as always. It's not only is it a new cam angle, it's a new cam. I already showed it off. It's the C922 Logitech. That's my new camera. And it's sitting on top of my monitor. Hi everyone. I mean, there's also a stand on it, so I can let you look up my nose. My voice going places. Yeah, with my... Should I check the view account? No, I shouldn't. Yes, please. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, I don't... Yeah, that's a good idea. Hydration is always a good idea. Hydrate twice? I already hydrated. What are you talking about? Okay, let's get the Gatorade going. No more. Chill. Guys, chill. Don't make him drown. Okay, I'll drink another one. Mod proofs. Whoa. I also got a few ideas for redemptions, so people can actually waste their points more efficiently. I want to do a redemption where I explain stuff badly, so you can say I don't know. Can say explain badly what's a keyboard, And I try my best to give you the worst explanation I can. I can say that he didn't do it and return the points. Oh, that's cool. No backsies. Yeah, so that was one idea. Just the other is just getting an opinion on something. One redemption I want to do is answer a yes or no question. So no context given, no explanation. You ask me, what is better, red or blue? And is red better than blue? And I will answer with yes or no. Stuff like that. It's not a yay. I realized. Is Rust better than C? Yes. And the last thing I thought I would maybe want to do is I don't know, something like unpopular opinion. So you just give me a topic and I'll give a hot take on that topic. Maybe something like that. Is C better than F? What C and F are we talking about? Is C better than wasm? No. Are you trying to murder the internet? I mean, no, not really. Still think it could be kind of fun. What are you complaining about? No suitable version of LLVM was found. System provider pointed to by LME, but need 8. So I completely unnecessarily installed that. Wait, it's more than that. Wanna see me? What? Could not. Do you wanna the 8? Technically F bigger than C. Yeah. Technically Y bigger than B. Yeah. But C bigger F, how? What? 1 less than 2, true. What have I started? Okay, so how do I install LLVM 8 on Arch? Arch install LLVM 8. So just install that. Just do LLVM 8. That can't be it. Right? We have LLVM 11 now. I'm just doing the thing that the error is telling me. I found LLVM version 7 but need 8. So let's do LLVM 8 now. I don't care. I don't care. I don't know. I'd rather not install the same LLVM twice again, because boy does that take long. I think 11 is bigger than 8. Are you sure about that? Are you running Rust nightly? I did not run Rust nightly, I think. That's not a Rust dependency. We don't need LLVM for Rust here. We need LLVM for Mon language. So this thing needs LLVM. And I think they're at 11. 8. 11 bigger 8 false though. Chess rules. Wait. Node 11 bigger. Someone followed. Thanks for the follow. I'm gonna check it out soon. Nothing. Seb Huss, thanks for the follow. So do we... What? Do we need to console log or something? Console log. Does that work? Yeah, so 11 is not bigger than 8. Do you recommend any sources to learn Rust? Obviously the Rust book. So... Rust book. The book. It's not any book, it's the book. So this should contain everything you need to write Rust code. The other thing I recommend for everyone who wants to learn any language is just do stuff with it. Try... We see... yeah, isn't there a book as well? It's the book. Okay. You youngsters with your acronyms and stuff. No. Yeah, just do stuff. Just get something you want solved, and solve it in Rust. So if you're... What's your favorite color? What? What is happening? I didn't even get that there's a poll running. Okay, so yeah, make small tools. Make stuff. Look at other people's code, something like that. The Linux programming interface. Yeah, that doesn't sound like fun. Recompiling again. I hate recompiling. Okay, in the meantime. It's full of C. In the meantime. Diff lib. Come on. What? Okay, so git check out lib. Where did the water come from though? It's full of C. Wow. Okay, next git diff main. We don't care about that. Git diff. I think we need to bench stuff. Watch too many. There is no such thing as too many I Am Hardliner streams. And you should know that. Check out bench. And git check out cargo pummel. Getting smarter every second. Like it should be. Okay, let's go to the lib again. That's not the lib I want. Wait. That's the lib I want. Wasm run. Hey Mans, new camera. Completely new camera. Show it. Let me show off again. B92 Logitech. Okay. And you look better. I mean, I always look good. It's just 1080p now. Okay, the only thing missing is a softbox or key light. A ring light, and then I'll do makeup tutorials live on stream while coding. Source lab? Yeah. Do it. That's hella dope. Be right back. Yeah. So let's see if we can fix the lure stuff. So wow. Ball chokes. Okay. Okay. That's how it is. That's not what I want. Oh, that's an unwrap we need. Unwrap. Oh. Okay, let's try to fix that. We will return an allure. Whatever allure is. Wrong button. So we'll do lure context. Context. Get a function with a CTX. Okay. Now we'll do what's the program for today? Oh, hi Megaforks. Streamer too busy to use big brain. Hey Tommy Luco. Today I actually wanted to use Moonlang and broke my system kinda with installing the wrong LLVM version. Now I'm installing it again, so that will probably take about an hour. And in the meantime, we'll try to fix the toggles benchmarks. So not like toggles benchmarks would need that much fixing, but okay, so that returns nothing. It returns something. Can I just return the lure here? They do need a bit of loving, maybe. Huh? Did I miss something? I'm trying to connect my Dell keyboard to my third-party Bluetooth dongle not working. That's not good. Okay, so oh, you already have the lure stuff in here, so we can context. Is there a get? No. Context globals dot get funk, something like that. Unwrap. Call? No. Wait. Where do you come from? Tell keyboard. But not that it's actually from a keyboard and my adapter. Okay. So why do you not work? Allure. Yes, well, sometimes hardware doesn't like Third-party tools. I mean, hardware sometimes doesn't like tools. Sums it up pretty well. Guided tour. Let's check the guided tour. Blue context globals. You have a set. You have a get. Can the get functions? Or can the get only get values? Oh, there is a call. Okay, so that's something we can do. In this one. So you are important, Togglebit. So that's gone, I think. That's gone as well. That's add now. That's add now. We'll call that with 1, 2. It's probably a tuple. 1, 2. That's an I32. Let's see if that works. So much chat, can't keep up. Toggle, you are a lord of Rust. That's. I'm not sure if I would call him a lord. Other Lilip is defined properly as a function. Don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, maybe. Is it like that? Kinda. Okay, get the adapter to a point where it's asking the keyboard for sync code, but then it stops for some odd reasons. That's strange. I did something wrong. Okay, let's fix that. Okay, so it does use those things directly. Let's just paste that, get rid of that. Could still be both. Do you have another Bluetooth device that you can connect except for the headset? Testing another adapter now. Okay. I have no idea what you're talking about. Oh, we need the globals. So let globals equal to context globals, right? Right. So also that's not print. That's add now. Now we'll get rid of this. What are you complaining? This function, what? Should return. Why are you complaining? Oh, yeah, just unwrap. Oh, I can't keep up. How are you doing? But I'm annoyed. Gotta take a shower. I'll lurk. Yeah, you can use exclamation mark lurk for lurking stuff. Lurking related activities. Welcome back, Fluffy. Oh, so we need to unwrap as well. Are you happy now? Happy now, okay. So we do not want to do that. We want to do function add a b and turn, something like that. And in here we will do, what was the original context? Load, Lua code, okay, now let's open benches. The only reason I don't want to use the original adapter is that I have only 3 USB ports on the laptop, and then I have one for the Bluetooth adapter, one for the Dell dongle, and one for my mouse. So the wireless mouse I got with the keyboard is absolutely horrible. I mean, couldn't you just... I mean, I know that's a non-solution, but couldn't you just get a USB hub? So let's do the same as well. Let's delete that. Say, let Lua equal to Lua. Wait, Lua lib needs two values? Why? Oh, it's just Lua. Also, that doesn't make any sense. We'll pass Lua as ampersand our Lua, right? Must go, Minecraft was a kid. Have fun playing Minecraft. That might be a solution for later, but not now. Understood. I mean, I have an USB hub and it's already getting full again, so might have to do something about that. So that's T. Get the Lua now. That's the direction I want. And here we'll do change the whole line equal to Lua lib. That will take a Lua and 1, 2. Should use it as well. 1, 2. And now we should be able to benchmark that, right? Let's see. Not check out. Here it is. Build failed. Why? $60. Wait, is it in librs? It is in librs. How's our LLVM going? Still compiling. So let's go to 60. Are you suddenly complaining? Oh, because of the result. Oh, come on. So let's get... down a few. Unused chunk. So I'll do exec unwrap, probably something like that. Okay, let's see if it works now. Lua, what? Expected one argument. That's not true, right? How does this expect one argument? Benches, whatever. Oh, because it's called Lua itself. Let's call it Lua load. Come on, you can do it. Nice. Lua load. Save that. By the way, Mans, you still here? Let's see. Lua failed. Okay. Let's see why that is. No, I actually wanted the benches open. Lua. Lua. 7. 2 and 5 should be 7. Go to definition. Lua global function. Return 1 plus 2. Did I? Oh, yeah. Thanks a lot. So projects Rust wasm, cargo bench. Can I only bench Lua somehow? Oh, I need to go into correct directory. Twitch chat is the best at pair programming. For real though. Lua passed. Okay, so now we can bench everything. And check what's actually faster. Oh boy. How is Lua that slow? I mean, it's nanoseconds, but... Twitch chat oriented programming, yeah. Maybe we should inline that. So paste that in here. Do lab val equals let's see how that does compile it all. Come on. That's an RLua function. That's better. So the function call is mighty overhead. Okay, Wesmer is now faster too. How? Oh, are we finished here? No, we aren't. Okay, that would have been a good explanation. So let's see. RLua context. Oh, wait. We could actually do... Can we? Can I return the function from here? Okay, let's try that. Yank that, paste that, and just return add. So now that should complain. Expected lure, okay. Lure function. Cannot find lure function. What? Oh, it's just function. It's just function. Can we return that? This function's return type contains a borrowed value, but there is no value for it to borrow from. What? Oh. Okay. Let's revert that. Let's revert that. Let's get that out. So I decided I'm going to use the Dell mouse. Maybe I can get used to it. At least it's super light. I actually don't like light mice. So I'm not a big fan of light mice. What are you complaining about? Oh, there's no exclamation. Semicolon. Come on. Let value. And but it's flowing well. Just need to improve the settings. I mean, I've changed something completely different. Oh, here's my camera. I've changed to that thing, which is just a trackball. For the few instances where I do need a mouse, I'll just take that, and it's way more comfortable than using a real mouse. I obviously do have a real mouse for gaming, so. So let's see if we get faster. Returning this value requires that 1 must outlive 2. Context 1. Okay, that makes sense. for most of the stuff, I'm using the Magic Trackpad 2 from Apple. So that is actually quite handy. Yeah, if you can work with something like that, sure, why not? I'm not a trackpad person myself. Okay, so we can't do that because lifetimes. 'But that's actually already quite fast, I think. Pardon. $800 plus minus 160. So it is faster than Vesmer. Okay, let's see. Do we have Doll Shop? Let's open that. Cargo terminal. Let's see. Do we have some features we can enable? Built-in lure. Link to specialized version of lure. Will makes at least the following assumptions. If neither the built-in or the system lure features enabled, then no lure library will be linked at all, and one must be linked with or built into the file. Okay, do we have lure installed? Lure. Okay, they want lure 5.4. Lure 5.4 lure chit. Can I do that? Oh, that's the 5.4 is the newest one, right? 6 months ago. Yeah. So lure chit. We do have a lure chit executable. Continue with Ireland. Let's do Ireland. Why not? Oh, that's quite thin, or at least it looks quite thin. Except, oh, that's the mouse you're using. That's like half a Mac mouse. Okay. Link a specialized version into the feature to do that. Blah blah blah. Uses package config to find an appropriate 5.4 library to link with. So we could also try to get that to use another use Lua Chit or something like that. It's way better than a Make Mouse. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I'm gonna take a short break, and hopefully until then LLVM is installed. So gonna be right back. And I'm back. What did I miss? I use gaming mice for work. That's yeah. To go to bed now. Well, sleep well, Edwin Chang. 2 but then I don't have enough USB ports for now until I get a dongle. Okay, in game. That's the wrong desktop. Come on, install faster. I mean, at least we got it working. But the global stable is gonna, yeah. What I know is that on the monitor I have, I'm connected via HDMI. The docking station feature of the monitor disables itself from my work laptop. What? I mean, docking stations are bad. So stupid. I should at least pass Ethernet through. Yeah. I mean, we had so many problems with docking stations disconnecting and reconnecting when you connect them. It's actually insane. Delete word again. 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 So wait, that's not needed at all. The wireless mouse recently Logitech, but I guess I still need a USB port for the receiver. Yeah. Okay, so that should be exports get. Where is my cursor? Welcome back, gifter number 2. I mean, you do know you have the same amount of gift subs, right? Just saying. So why is it slower again? I mean, I know why it's slower again. You see my mod patch peasant. Wow. Already power hungry. Got it. No to self remove goes these mod rights. Nah, just kidding. Wait, can't I just do that as well? Just infer it? So in the meantime, we'll fork Toggle's project. No, all of it. It's git remote change. Set URL. Origin. This one. Git push. Gonna do my online assignment for my application second. Wish me luck. Good luck. Application and a second. What application? Where did you apply? Are you gonna be a game developer? Or did you get hired as full-time streamer? Telecom IT? Wow, nice. Yeah, good luck. Good luck with that. Flex. I shouldn't. I should have made a what's it called? Branch. I mean, whatever. Pull request. Failed to load the latest commit information. What? You okay, GitHub? Fixed loop benchmark. I think it's okay. System technicians, a lot of hardware. Oh, that's cool. Pros and Linux stuff too. Yeah, if you need something, hit me up. I know a thing or two. Just remember where the LUNs are. Okay, I don't know what a LUN is. What? Yeah. Hi Cap Peasant. And how a cluster works. Cluster works by clustering stuff. What arraying libword? Please teach me. Can be a lot of work, but it's fun. But if it's fun, it really isn't. I mean, yes and no. Okay. 8 hours of work are still 8 hours of work. Doesn't matter how fun they are. It gets easier to stay 8 hours at a job you like, but at the end of the day, it was still 8 hours. Well, let me know. That's very good. Do we have any other Rust wasm runtime? Oh, come on! Running target Unix. Oh, well, whatever. Awesome wasm runtimes. How are you liking Man? Are you the creator? I'm not the creator. and I haven't actually used it that much. I've used it on Windows, and I love the way it's designed and the idea behind it, but I have no hard feelings on the library itself. Obviously, it's gonna be work in the long run, but it's easier if I enjoy the work in the shop that I hate. That's for sure. Yeah, and you need to know how to set up ZFS. Yeah, you absolutely don't. I've never had to set up ZFS in my entire life. I know how to fix Windows for PowerShell. Yeah, that's more true. So whose of those is written in Rust? Rust. Not trusted. Rust. Is this a link? Am I missing something? I don't know if they're using VMware, but if not, you need to know how Hyper-V works. That's true. Well, depending on how big it is, what he has to do. What he has to do, he has to know it. I'm not sure I understand. Oh, so that I'm stupid, like stupid again. That's a shitty looking readme. Sorry to say that, but okay, let's go for Rust again. Lucet. Next, motor. Wow. Serverless wasm. I'll learn everything I need to learn. I'm pretty quick learner, especially technical stuff. Yeah, how's your how's learning to program going along? Depending on his job level, he has to know how to set up ZFS clusters. If he's just a system technician at a telecom company, yeah, it depends. Console log, leave me alone. Missing quotes. So nah. WasM? What's WasM? It's interpreter. Compatible WebAssembly VM. Okay, we already have WasM time. Yep. Okay, that's about it. So we have Lucet, we have motor, whatever motor is. Nothing works, but patches are welcome. Okay. For fun. Small demo. Nope. I mean, I think I already tried that and it was kind of slow. Okay. Archived. When was it archived? 12, 14, 14 months. Doesn't say why. 2 years ago. Don't care about that. It's probably WasM or Lucet to try. Compiling Lucet. Wait, no. I want that. I want the Lucet runtime. Lucet C. It's a Rust trait that provides the opportunity to load modules from shared object files, instantiate them, and call exported WebAssembly functions. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Is there bug is the create internals, macros? Okay. Let's go here. Git checkout branch. Add lucet, no. Additional runtimes. It's still running. Why? Stop testing. Just install. I trust you. Wait. What? What's an mmap region? The memory from which instances are created. This create includes mmap region and implementation backed by mmap. Okay. Instance, a lucid program, together with its dedicated memory and signal handlers. Users of this API never own an instance directly, but can own the instance handler smart pointer. That makes sense. Okay, so let's go down here. Pub load lucid. Welcome back. I fixed your Lua benchmark. Kinda. Listen here. So the new Lua benchmark looks like you do a Lua load. Inside of Lua load, there's the code, and you just load it once. So that's how you load the Lua code. And once that's done, you can say, give me all my globals, get me the function, and call the function itself. But it's slow. I mean, I think it's still probably fast enough, but it's way slower than the lib load thingy. Okay, so the other way around. Let's take that. I mean, it's still measured in nanoseconds and microseconds, so as long as you don't get into millisecond territory, it should be fine, I think. So we'll do an instance here, an instance here. Lucid is a WebAssembly runtime. I just googled WebAssembly runtimes, and that's one of the runtimes it came up with. Yep, another runtime. Also, there is wasm, which is a wasm interpreter. And I have no idea how fast that is, but I want to test it as well. Also, I sent you a pull request with the fixed Lua stuff, so you can look at it at your own on your own PC. And now let's see if we get something working. So merge wasm at the stream box. Yeah, no stress, no stress. So we could actually just return the function, right? Oh no, because of that. So let's... What is PogChamp today? I mean, there is still PogChamp, which is obviously way superior. What's the deal? Open stuff. Yank that. So no, paste that. Delete until load set. Let's hydrate. Let's hydrate with the Giggle Juice cup. I'm really disappointed that the Ethernet doesn't pass through from monitor when I'm not running on Thunderbolt. Yeah, so if you get the chance to not use docking stations, you should always do that, because docking stations suck. The only thing where they don't suck sometimes is when you'll never use you'll never disconnect the laptop. Let's lose set now. What? Not that. Oh, well, stupid work laptop has no Ethernet laptop. Okay, that's way more stupid then. So loose load loose set. That is an instance. So what do they actually do? 2 and 5. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's a thing you need to fix yourself. That's 2. That's 5. Get the dongle and Ethernet to useful compute. Wow. So okay, get that going. That's done. Delete that. Paste that. So we want add 2 and 5. Probably needs the into. Let's see. I don't understand why they're saying use Ethernet only, and then providers with laptops which don't have Ethernet built in. Wow. So which one do you want, Cat Peasant? I'm not gonna do 2 for the price of 1. My orders have been doxed. You wanna do the first one or the second one? Well, for you, do both. I'm gonna do both. Okay. Let's do Luxville and Flopsylvania. Cat Peasant cheating the system. Oh, it's an instance handle. Okay. Instance handle. Let's do that as instead. Okay. Already did that. Here's the bench. Hey, Yasmin. Bob Champ is here. Yes. So everyone who isn't subscribed should instantly do that. Get the Bob Champ going. Okay, how are we on LVM? Ugh. Yeah, mine is way better. New camera. I got a Logitech C922 yesterday, and that's me in 1080p. I already thought it would negatively affect the stream, but meh. New camera goes with the new angle. Yeah. I probably could have done the new angle with the old camera, but my old camera is actually my laptop. So I would have to mount my laptop on the back of my monitor. Okay, we're installing a goblin. Why not? The Arctic space fox awakened from his slumber. The one and only, yes. The greatest artist on all of Twitch. Didn't Arctic Space Fox do more emotes? Yes. Oh, I've overwritten them. the bot. Yeah. Wait, that's the wrong one. There's the Bob Champ. And there is the uncomfy. What? So we see config, hardbot, config. So apparently it's just not possible to pass through even when this for the Thunderbolt aren't in use. That's real BS. Yeah. So let's recompile or rerun and do an Arctic. By the way, SpaceFox, did you stream today? Or did my eyes lie to me? I thought I saw you streaming. Okay, so what's wrong here? Okay, what? So that needs to be intoed. That needs to be intoed. Where's my home row? Needs to be deleted. New keyboard tomorrow, yes. New keyboard and untyped Redwell. Why is it untyped though? New keyboard and my English is broken. The meeting we talked about. So let's see how that goes. At the end of the sentence, my sentences. You probably can't hear that, but none of my sentences actually end because I don't say the dots, the periods at the end. So just spit out open sentences. Oh, you need a from, so it's I32 from paste. The funny part is the power comes through with Thunderbolt, so it's still active. I mean, power through and active isn't quite the same thing. Your entire vocabulary is like an unclosed paragraph tag. Yeah, I'm just opening new sentences and not closing the old ones. And when I'm old, hopefully I'll buffer overflow the whole world with that. It's so ridiculous. It seems to be limitation software. I mean, it's anyway, it's stupid. So, but I'm sure it's not a hardware limitation. Yeah, that makes sense. My brain buffer overflowed twice already today. Have you tried turning it up and on again? Have you tried rewriting it in Rust? Lucid failed. Why? Probably something stupid. Maybe not something stupid. Debug. Wow. You have a display with a gazillion input methods, but when you switch them, Ethernet is not working anymore, even though supported input method, which is also output, is not shown on the display. But whatever makes no sense. Yeah. Okay, so there's some other problem. Let's see. Sometimes it's okay to rage a little. Yeah. Let it out. Flip a table. As long as no one's using it. I mean, you can even flip a table when someone's using it. Yeah, pet a cat is also good. As long as the pet is yours and you're not just breaking into... You're not just breaking into other people's home. Okay, so that's... Wait. That's... Am I missing something? I'm not gonna read it aloud. So that's just as dynamically. Wait, what? I thought this is a WebAssembly runtime. Why do we need to load? Can we get? Okay, now I'm confused. Lucid is apparently a WebAssembly runtime. But the DL module will open a shared object file. It's fine. It's completely fine. That doesn't work. They can't swim. So why are they loading so files? Oh, Lucid C WebAssembly to native code compiler. Oh. Oh. Sometimes you should just read. So Lucid C. This anime does not exist.ai. Do I want to click this link? I'm not sure I want to click this link. I'm gonna go here, here. Hopefully open it. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's good I didn't click this link live on stream. That probably is the problem. Reading is for nerds, yet it's true. The question is, can I use Lucid C as a library? Fail. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, have fun lurking, Yasmin. So can I use this library instead? I think I can't. Neither I am hardbot nor I am hardliner are stealable. Oh no, wait. You don't need the amount, I think. You just want to steal. Meh. So Lucid C. Can I get that as a library? Wow, Toggle. Wow. Yeah, have fun lurking. So cargo add. Does that work? Lucid C. Now we'll okay, so Lucid let's build. I think I got it working. Did it involve cats or tables? Table cats. Nice. Some setting you need to change. Oh, come on. Can't you just work? Cargo RM Lucid C. What? Okay. Wrong button. It's so stupid. I had to set the display settings to duplicate it with. Wait, what? I mean, at least it works now, but that's strange. So, can I cargo install Lucid C? Is this something I can do? I cannot. Well, thanks for nothing, I think. Okay, let's scrap that. Let's try wasm. This creates ports no standard. I do not care. So, cargo at wasm. Let's try that. Oh, do we have an example? Many examples. How are you doing? Still running. It's 100% the driver thing, but it's so stupid I can't believe it. Well, that resolves a lot of issues for me now. I'm actually getting used to this with mouse. Yeah, it's insanely strange. Okay, let's see what that does. We have a function name, program args, load module. What the hell? How is interpret looking? Bit better, I think. Module load from file, module instance. It's a run start. What's run start? Yeah, I kind of like it. It really glides well over my table. I don't even want to use a mousepad with it. That's cool. That's insanely cool. Load module. There's the exports. Can't there be a simple example to do what I want? Parity wasm. So I need parity wasm as well. There's only 2 tiny spots where you can use friction. Those are very smooth surfaces. Yeah, that's understandable. Let's just hope that you don't scrub off the 2 points and it gets rough there. Let's check tic-tac-toe. Doesn't get better. I think the interpret was the kind of the easiest to understand. Oh, the others used the parity tech WebAssembly loader. That's the difference. Okay, so we can work with that, I think. So we'll do let's add that. That's not what I pressed. That's what I pressed. Almost 10% done with the perfect setup. I mean, with my computers, which I have. Yeah, still nothing to do with the points, though. So that's load wasm. Do something like that. And we'll get a module instance. Yeah, that's something you can do. Okay, that's not args1, that's wasm next. Oh, someone who's just a bit a toggle bit. Yeah. So let's paste that. Port native modules. Okay. Module ref. So that's a module ref, which isn't imported. Module ref. Okay. So what plugins should I put into my Vim? I mean, only Vim and no NeoVim, as that is bloat. I mean, don't you think you're taking a bit too far? And if not, why are you not using VI instead of Vim? No. Let's see. Things you should do inside your Vim. I mean, I really like the rainbow bracket stuff. So that's a thing I can't recommend enough, just so you see all the bracket layers you have. Vimvik is also cool if you like something like that. Really needed is nothing of that, I think. I mean, Polyglot is multi-syntax stuff. Vim Surround is also nice if you remember that you have it and the things you need. Telescope is the coolest plugin there is, but sadly NeoVim only, so you can't use that. Vim Surround is amazing, yeah. I also have vim.env running. I also have vim.env running and automatically call it. So I can... Let me show that off real quick. Oh, that's still running. Come on, PC. So there is... do I have a Twitch somewhere? Chat? Yeah, I have a chat. And I can go into CD toggle bit. And there is an env file which contains togglebit's channel name. So I can use, if I open Vim here, I can send chat messages through Vim to togglebit's channel. Just for fun. What did I miss? Surround is amazing. Same with commentary. Yes. Telescope is amazing. Yes. Well, I need to learn how to use them first, so don't totally overwhelm me. Yeah, I mean, you can still install them. The nice thing with surrounded computer is that they're based on Vim motion, so you don't really need to learn anything outside of Vim. Kinda. Yeah, do them step by step, that's true. You would use the same key combinations to delete as you would with comment. Yeah, but aren't comment two things? Because of it's wait. SY? No, not SY. YS. Yeah, so it's YSW quotes. And the other way around, it's YDW. No. YSDW. No. How do I delete the... Oh, it's DSW quotes. No, DS quotes. Yeah, it's DS quotes. It's delete surround quotes. And the other one would be yank. Yank surround quotes. I mean, yank SW quotes will do that. That's YSW. Can go V instead of Y. So VS. No, wait. Yeah, that's a custom binding though. By the way, I start with Vim while I'm going to start with Rust at the same time. It's funnier that way. Hi, Dipox. Or DipoX. Okay, so let's quit that. That was the wrong thing. Still compiling. Oh, wasm. Okay, now that works. To top it off, I should also get the moon lantern set up. Dvorak Pro. Yeah, don't do the Dvorak. Do what's the other one called? Colmac. Just to trigger all the Dvorak people. Get Colmac. Okay, surround commentary telescope. Little H brackets. Oh, I have a binding for that. That's the thing I use for the rainbow brackets. Thanks, bot. I just wanted to do that. So there's all my scripts. In all my scripts, my dot files are located in my scripts, including an install and everything. And you can just look at the init vim in there and see what it does. So we'll go to benches. Lucet is gone now. That's wasm now. That's load wasm. You're welcome. With spot to unintelligent. Yeah. Where am I? Oh, it was loading. Wow. Okay, so I have done that. Gonna do something like this now. No, it's inst. Delete that. That's add now. Change in word. That's inst now. You don't need a plugin manager for Vim to look. Just clone the plugins into the start. Yeah, or just use a plugin manager. Be done with it. I mean, there's probably if you want to go minimal, not using a plugin manager. I really don't like that definition of bloat. So I mean, in all seriousness, I really don't like the definition of the definition of bloat is bloat. It was just to trigger you. I know. But the thing is, people are calling stuff bloat. We're ready you up, hardliner. Yeah, you're gonna ruin my heart. Change in word. That's 2, I think, and a 5. Don't care about what other people say. I mean, I do care. I do still care. Okay. The thing is, I'm bloated right now. Yeah, the thing is, I do care because I really like programming. Okay, programming is very dear to my heart, and all the strange opinions that people have, I think aren't very good for programming itself. So the whole programmers worldwide do strange things, and one of them is calling stuff bloated just because it has more. Just using more isn't bloat. If you're going to get riled up about people's opinion, you're gonna get a hard. I'm not getting riled up. I just care about stuff like that. The whole. Yeah, my English is broken today. Why are you complaining? What? I'm confused. I mean, I'm always confused, so that's nothing new. Let's see how the bench goes. It's all people's opinions and perspective. That's true, but I think we can't grow as a whole on a global scale if every time someone says something, we say, okay, it's his opinion, and therefore it's valid. So you can have your opinion, that's completely true, but those are the people who start writing blog posts, who start doing YouTube videos and so on and so forth, and new programmers come in and they learn strange opinions from strange people and don't even know the reasoning behind it. So that's why I care a bit about that stuff. As long as it's not a holy programmer, it's just, yeah, there's only one holy programmer, and he did the only OS you should ever use. Mr. Toggle knows what he's talking about. Still remember you being so tired of discussing with chat that you sang in the sit quiet later. And all people are onions, they all stink and give you bad taste if you eat many of them. They do, that's our main thing is, this is just opinions. True. Hardliners just noticed you need sub badges. I kinda do. So what's wrong? Module from file functions. What? Yeah, like I said, I still do have strong opinions on some things, and I will argue with people on those opinions. So, and I absolutely know that it's not the best thing to do. Oh yeah, I know that it's a joke. I'm not angry or pissed or something because of that joke. I was just adding to that. I was just adding that the whole for other viewers that the bloat thing isn't to be taken that serious. So I know that you know, that we know, that I know, that Toggle knows, that Arctic knows that this was a joke. The only reason why I tried to keep super low package count again too is because one, it was a challenge to keep compile times to an absolute minimum. That's understandable. I don't argue against that. That's not the problem I'm having. I'm having a problem with people who argue against it. Everything except the absolute necessary is bloat, which in my opinion it isn't. But in all seriousness, you don't need a package manager for Vim. There is already one built in, which should I check out. Yeah, that you can absolutely do that. Hi Konishimani. Why is that not working? Let's reopen Vim. Should fix it, right? Can Oh. As wasm module to me look before Vim 8 there was one and people used bundle or whatever, but now since there is one you don't need to worry about it. I mean, that's probably true, but let me just, so we see in it, you want to say something Irish. I do kind of like just doing that and be done with it and let plug handle everything. But I also understand if people don't want to do that. So if you want to have more control or something, that's completely understandable. Rust looks crazy. I'm just learning Java and Spring since 2 months, but sometime I want to learn Rust. That's very cool. It depends on the code you're looking at. So here we're very much experimenting, so the structure isn't the best stuff. Plug, oh, plug is for Vim. Plug is to load plugins in Vim. I don't feel quite well. I'm going for a walk. Yeah, have fun going for a walk, and I hope you feel better soon. So the editor I'm using is NeoVim, and I use plug to install packages. Wow, even with accents. Belaced? I have no idea. I should have gotten another something else as a redemption because I can't pronounce stuff correctly. So you just get into Java. That's cool. BL-2. What? BL-2? I don't know. I do not know. You need to say this if you have a windmill stuck in your throat. I know you probably won't believe me, but I do not know how that feels like. Set my default shell. It's an Irish toast. Oh, okay. You set it to default shell to what? I mean for drinking, like Oh, okay, got it. That's very nice. Fish is a very cool shell. So let's check our benches. Flat value. Is Vim good with Rust? How do I answer that? It can be. Vim can be good with Rust. Yeah, I wouldn't say no. I think Vim is like, I like it how I have it configured. So I can just do, for example, inst dot, and it will show me everything from the language server I can actually call. So I get the same experience like I would, or kind of the same experience like I would with Visual Studio. But if you're new to programming and you don't know Vim already, it might be easier to just start with something else. That's my opinion on that. So use wasm. That's not what I wanted. Use wasm : you also need JetBrains IntelliJ. I used IntelliJ for Rust development on Windows for a long time. So that's yes, W that no, well, that. I think CLAN is supposed to be good for us. Yes, CLAN is paid though for the debugging. There's an unwrap. My instructor is using IntelliJ with a Rust plugin. Oh. Yeah, IntelliJ is really cool. Runtime value. I mean, if you like. That's not what I want. Okay, DC. We do have a Discord. Do we have a programming channel, programming help channel? I think we do. Just check. Yeah, we have a programming help channel. So, yeah, you can join the Discord. Feel free to ask questions. You can also ask questions here. I do actually know how to write Java. Except if someone at work asks me, then I don't know how to write Java. But if you have any questions, feel free, and I'll try to answer them as good as possible. And thanks for the follow, Kanishmani. That's really, really nice of you. So, interpret. Invoke. How do we get the value out of that? Can I into? Can I just into? CLAN is brilliant. CLAN is brilliant. Yeah. So value next. Does that work? It does not work. Okay, what else can I do? Expect is what? That does not make any sense. I think. Can I unwrap again? Why would I unwrap again? Wait. Mismatch types, found runtime values. So without that, I just realized I have no idea what's going on. That's not a problem. Okay, so we get an option. The first one is an error, then we get an option. What? Okay, we'll unwrap again, and then we'll... not clone into value. Tomorrow is gonna be really hard with the new keyboard. I can't even type with my current keyboard. I already have it for 5 years. Okay, yeah, wasm is WebAssembly, and Mon is a scripting language. So Mon is a hot loadable, natively compiled scripting language, which we wanted to try. Which is why I'm installing LLVM on my machine, which didn't work earlier. After 1 hour installing, it just aborted because I pressed something wrong probably. Now we're installing another version, which is also running for more than an hour. I think almost 2 hours now. In the meantime, we're trying out WebAssembly runtimes in order for Togglebit to get more performance numbers. Yeah, LLVM and what's the other one? LLVM and Boost. I hate Boost libraries so much. So... okay, let's see. Can we into... This line is getting insanely long. It's hard to get around to compiling it into, but I managed. It's not satisfied. Yeah, but why? Okay, I32. I don't feel happy with that. Runtime value. From runtime value. Oh. Oh, I think I get it. So let's do let val equals to I32 from runtime value, which is the runtime. Probably an unwrap. No unwrap. Because it's not in scope, so we need... I think it was value from runtime value. Does that work? Still not. Why? No function for I32. Extend into what? What is happening? So I want the other way around. For Boolean. Runtime value for I8. Wait, we just need to unwrap? I mean, I probably need to unwrap. Okay, better. Find well. Delete that. And now we should finally be able to move value type. Yeah. Latency. We have the same thinking speed. No, you're actually faster because you need to type and latency. That's not Giggle Juice. It's not. That's in order for me to get my what are those called? Salt and stuff. Electrolytes up. Yeah, electrolytes. Wasmer. Yeah, you should absolutely use the Wasm stuff. 91 times slower than the Lua implementation. 900 times slower than the C implementation. Sounds reasonable, right? Yeah. No, the thing is, I'm gonna send it to you anyway. Wait. Module. Let's get that. Take the invoke stuff. Use the parity wasm. Cargo add parity wasm. And use that to actually call it. So where's the parity wasm thing? Yeah. I don't. Calling them C and C2 is so off. There is no C involved. I mean, isn't it a C API though? Pronounce word. That's not a word. Space Fox. That's a sentence. The whole Gentoo build was done in about 2 hours or so. I mean, for a whole system build, that's insane. Just 2 hours is really, really fast. I mean, it does say pronounce word though. Just remove the spaces. No, I'm kidding. Okay, I'm gonna read it anyway. Anyways, calling it a night. See you guys. Yeah, have a nice evening, night, sleep well, and we'll see each other tomorrow in Toggle's chat probably. Okay, on to the German. Auf den 7 Robenklippen sitzen 7 Robensippen, die sich in die Rippen stippen, bis sie von den Klippen kippen. You happy now? Let's complete that. Take your points away. How did you do it so good? What do you mean? Was that supposed to be hard? It was just German. Fischers Fritz, Fischfrische Fische, frische Fische, Fischers Fritz. Almost. Auf the seventh Robenklippen, some kind of rock. There sits a Robensippen that ripped his bro. It's a tongue breaker. I mean, I didn't think of it as a tongue breaker. It was nice. Yeah, you're acing it. You're acing it. It was really close. Okay, let's fix the speed. We don't care about that. Okay. So it's still running. 2 hours, it's still running. Next time I give you a word. Yes, please. Let's please do that. So just take that. Paste that. As wasm, it's not a wasm module. It's a parity module. Okay, so what are you complaining about? Oh, parity module. Oh, so we don't need this anymore, right? That's gone now. And that's... there is no load from file. That's load module, right? Oh, toggle. That was great. That really was great. So what are you complaining about? Module. Okay, so that's the thing I want. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's get some other comments going. Dude, you cannot delete the Twitch chat. So let's do that. Also, that's the loaded module now. Well, satire, yeah, that didn't work the last time. So whatever. I'll never find out what it means now. Yeah, it's fine. Mismatch types. Yeah, that's probable. Let's see. Yep, was a big news story. So let's go to cargo toml. Still compiling. So the parity wasm is 0.41 with the default features off. No, it has standard on. Okay. 0.41. So let's do edit cargo toml to what? So now they should be the same version. Right. if we don't talk about goats, we don't talk. Pick up that Germaning today. I love you Germaning around. Okay, it's running again. Let's see what we get. It's so crazy. The performance increase and decrease from one run to another. It didn't even get faster. Why though? Doesn't make any sense. Why should I use that if it doesn't get faster that way? So what does that do? Extracts all arguments from command line arguments. Okay. Yeah, so I don't care about that. I do not understand why that's not faster. Not even a little bit. Okay, so we've done all runtimes. wasm isn't faster. All the other runtimes are probably dead. Yeah. You can rename CNC2 to libc and libload if you want. Might make more sense. I mean, they're so close together. C2. Wrong. Wrong. Next. Libload. Deal open. Yeah, so if we do bench CC2. What? Why? I mean, that does work, right? Running 2 tests? So it does both of them. I mean, the C2 is still kind of slower, but could also be... Oh! Might make more sense, or something that will at least on native. It will use regex to find the test name. Oh, Got it. I mean, I have I have an installation in the background, so that might be it. Let's quit that. Let's quit that. Well. Okay. So you can run nightly bench was to do the wasm stuff. You can do nightly bench. Let's check that. Yeah, seems like it. Does 3 tests. $66,000 nanoseconds. Wow. This is where it's at. Yeah. Okay, let me try something. Can we go to my repository? Okay. Let's go to a really big machine. CD, wasm, git, checkout, fix Lua benchmark, fix Lua benchmark. Oh no, it's master. I don't need to check out anything. Welcome back, Fluffy. Okay, so I need to rust up. Why can't I rust up? No, it's I have Rust installed on that machine. Okay, let's bash it instead. Rust up. Also not found. Okay, we'll do it live then. Rust up RS. What am I doing? It's just the game server. Installing things while it's running shouldn't be that much of a problem. How was your walk, Fluffy? Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, we're not gonna test Moon today, I think. But we'll do it tomorrow with the new keyboard, probably. Okay, so... yeah, because it's not a fish. Does suck though. Just run fish again. Still doesn't work. I think it kinda misrecognized the shell I'm using and installed the wrong thing. But bash does work, so cd was lib. Gonna do cargo, almost cargo build release. Do you have Rust C? I should have Rust C, yeah. Oh, true. Thanks. And I also need the nightly tool chain. I mean, why is the fetch taking so long? Yeah, for the benches. Yeah. Just paste that inside. Okay. That's what you get from copy and pasting stuff. Okay, we did that. Then cargo, build, release, target, wasm 42, unknown, as well. Wasm run, cargo, not cargo, rust up, tool chain at nightly. Then we'll do cargo plus nightly bench. Let's see how a proper machine handles the workload. In the meantime, 400 out of 3000. Not gonna happen. Sorry. Okay. We'll try the moon stuff next time. I quit out of here. Oh, I know something we could do in the meantime. And Twitch search. See what we got here. Checking who we can raid. Still building though. It's also still building. '24 league player, computer science student. Let's do it. Yeah, English, that's fine. Come on. Oh, building takes so long. What did I miss? I checked. I checked who we will raid in a second. And now we'll wait until the benchmark is done, and then I'll end the stream for today because I'm getting a bit of a headache, and that means I should stop sitting in front of a PC for today. But tomorrow we'll stream again. Yeah, I liked it. Yeah, it's not a burnout thingy. It's more like a I've drank not an I didn't drink enough today, and now I got a headache. And the only thing that helps now is sleeping. Yeah. Being emotes. Also, the earlier I go to sleep, the earlier my keyboard arrives. Right? 68 nanoseconds. 68 nanoseconds. But with a strange variance, okay. Wasm. I mean, it's not that big of a difference right now. I'm still kinda... I think it's strange that Vesmer is actually slower than Lua. Can we run it again? See if we have any caching problems. No. Yeah, it's exactly the same. I mean, the variance is kinda gone now, which is good. But those are still the same. So I would probably just go with wasm time, and if that proves to be too slow, then I would check out something else. Yeah. So, like I said, I'm gonna end the stream now. Thank you all for watching. Let's get out of here. Let's do another DC. If you want, you can join the Discord. There you can ask questions. We also have Rustation installed, which can run random code in a Docker container. Yeah. Be prepared for brain flow up of the keyboard. I underestimated how much brain power has to go to it. Well, I mean, I'm learning Vim as well, so it's gonna be a fun stream tomorrow. I will type at about 1 word per minute, but it's gonna be fine. Anyway, so yeah, I will. So like I said, thank you everyone for watching. We'll start the raid soon. I hope you had a great time, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, ready to raid. Yeah, then we'll see each other tomorrow. Bye.